In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ticket in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log a clear, actionable support request that routes to the right place and gets resolved faster. First, from the Freshdesk dashboard, look to the top navigation bar. Click the plus new button, then select Ticket. This opens a fresh ticket form where you'll capture the essentials. If you don't see the option, make sure you're on the right workspace and that you have the required permissions. Start by entering the requester information. You can type an email address or a name, and Freshdesk will search existing contacts. If it's a brand new person, Freshdesk automatically creates a contact record for you, which keeps their future requests organized. Double check spelling here. Accurate requester details ensure replies go to the right inbox and help your team see past conversations for context. Next, fill in the subject and description. Think of the subject as a headline, short, specific, and searchable. In the description, explain the issue clearly. Include what happened, when it started, any error messages, what's been tried already, and the expected outcome. The more context you add, the fewer back and forths later. If the problem is intermittent, note the frequency and any patterns you've noticed. Keep your tone factual and concise so any agent can pick it up and act quickly. Now set the mandatory fields. Choose the type to categorize the request, such as question, incident, problem, or task, depending on your team's configuration. Select the source to indicate where the ticket originated, like email, phone, chat, or portal. Update the status to reflect its current state, typically open or pending when you're logging it. Finally, assign a priority that matches impact and urgency. Use your team's SLAs and guidelines to stay consistent. Correct prioritization helps queue management and response times. If you know who should handle it, assign the ticket to a specific group or agent. Groups are great for routing by skill set or department, like billing or technical support. Assigning it accurately reduces handoffs and speeds resolution. If you're unsure, choose the most relevant group so triage can take it from there. When everything looks good, click Create to log the ticket. Freshdesk will generate a unique ticket ID, and depending on your settings, notify the requester and assign team automatically. Take a quick moment to confirm the ticket appears in the right queue with the right details. That's it. You've created a well-structured Freshdesk ticket that's ready for action. Thanks for watching and happy supporting.